Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs, back in another video just for all of y'all. As you can see, I'm in the room. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of the new spot where I'm at currently. But before then, I want to give a shout out to ACScomposites. This video is sponsored today by ACScomposites. If you guys have a Corvette or are interested in getting a Corvette, you may have heard of ACScomposites. They have a great, huge selection of great quality products. ACScomposites was great enough to send me some great products that we're going to be installing on the Vette here in the next video or two. So stay tuned for that. Whenever I get the installs done on this, it's a surprise. I'm going to let you guys try and guess what is inside this box. So if you guys know about ACScomposites, put in the comments below. If you don't know, take a guess of what product this is. This is actually the C8 picture right here. But you know I got the C0706, so I do not have C8 products. I have a C7Z06. One more time, y'all, shout out to ACScomposites for sending over the product to me. Their products are very, very good. Woo! Now, before we get into the video of the build and me telling you guys exactly what I got in the car, I have to show you guys this. I've been waiting weeks. I made this order online. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? Are you ready? I am all in with this build, and right here is something special that no one else has. This is one of one shoe right here. One of one created shoe. Let me show y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Can you see? Can you see the orange with the red and the black? So up. You see right there? Gun. And you want to see what the other shoe says? Let me show y'all. Top. That's right. One of one Top Gun shoes for the C7Z06 Corvette. These are shoes I'm going to be going if I go to a meet, if I do some runs in the car, just whatever it is. Look at this. The bottom's red. Just like how I have my Corvette, got the red accents with the orange and the black. Again, one of one shoe. Shout out to Nike for hooking it up. Oh my, these are filthy. I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice. Oh my god. I'm about to get in the video in a second, y'all, but just, I'm so humble, man. I am so glad. Again, one more time, shout out to ACScomposites for the part. You guys are gonna see that very soon. Put your guesses below. And shout out to Nike. One of one shoes, y'all. Well, anyway, let's get to the reason why you guys clicked the video. Here's the build so far. Let's get it. I want to get like the mirrors to be red. I want to get the side of the wing to be red and kind of do like a, yeah, like a red and then, yeah. Yeah, so this was going to be red here. The mirrors is going to be red. It's going to be like a red, orange, and black kind of. So you need to hit these up. Yeah, and then I got the wheels coming in next week. Oh, the tires. So it's gonna be nice, man. The dash wasn't too difficult for you?
It's not that big a deal, but you gotta be careful doing it.
got back. It is the next morning, but oh my gosh, y'all. I really wanted to show y'all exactly how it looks, especially in the light. Oh man, this carbon is so clean. Even this right here. Oh my gosh, like just all of this just came out so good. One more time, shout out to Excelsior Motorsports for hooking me up. And oh my gosh, this wing, this thing is, oh man, it's balanced, man. This thing is great. I've seen some other wings, you know, I've seen the APR one, I've seen a few other ones, but this one is fantastic. It's 72 inches in width, not super high, but just over the roof height. And it is fantastic, man, especially with that carbon in the back. We got the carbon up here. I got a lot of stuff coming with competition carbon. We got the hood coming. We got the full bumper coming. Oh man, that's gonna be fantastic. These vents, I want to show you guys exactly more. I know it's hard to tell, but these vents are kind of up and slided toward the back, so it's not directly up. But man, when I got home, you could just feel the heat from inside just escaping. Man, these are great, fantastic. These are custom made. Again, Excelsior Motorsports, hit them up if you're interested in getting some work done in your cars. Haven't seen too many Corvettes with these, but these definitely help. Like I said, I got a lot of hood work coming and some front bumper work coming. They also just installed the tow hook, didn't take too long. I got you know, the red that I did earlier. I really want to go with a nice red, black, and orange, Sebring orange tone. So I want to do red here. I really want to get the mirrors done in red, and I want to get the side of the wing right here. I want to get this in red too, and then do a livery for it when I get to the tracking. But oh my gosh. And then this right here, the carbon fiber tips. I know you guys can't see them, but they sound fantastic. This color, man, oh my gosh. Like, I'm a big fan of McLaren's. So this McLaren kind of orange and black kind of two-tone look is exactly what I was looking for. This car is, oh my gosh, I love this car. This shifter, if y'all haven't already gotten one, get a short throw shifter. The MGWs are fantastic. They went also ahead and put in the 3LZ carbon dash kit. Remember the carbon that's going to be going here, and some other carbon pieces that are going to be going in the car. So the inside is looking absolutely filthy. Haven't done any engine mods yet. I really want to keep my warranty, but overall, guys, this is the build so far. It's only gonna get bigger and better. We got the BC forged wheels coming in. We got the Nitto tires coming in. We got a lot of stuff coming in. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I always keep saying, y'all, go after your dreams and make them your reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. Peace.